Good evening and welcome to the Day-End Market Roundup by Senfin Securities. The Colombo Stock Exchange closed the day on a strong note. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, surged by 379.77 points, marking a 2.09% increase to close at 18,541.26. Similarly, the S&P SL20 Index, which tracks the performance of the top 20 listed companies, gained 127.86 points, rising 2.39% to end the session at 5,486.50. Now turning to the day's market performance highlights. The total market turnover reached LKR 10.22 billion, reflecting active participation in today's trading session. Total crossings amounted to LKR 1.81 billion, indicating notable off-market transactions. Among the companies that recorded the highest trading value were Pan Asia Banking Corporation plc and Sampath Bank plc, showing strong investor interest. The overall market capitalization stood at LKR 6,577.01 billion, marking the total value of listed companies in the Colombo Stock Exchange. On the purchases side, domestic investors led the way with 10,132.37 million rupees, accounting for 99% of total market purchases. Meanwhile, foreign investors contributed 96.49 million rupees, making up the remaining 1%. On the sales side, the picture was slightly more balanced. Domestic sales stood at 8,908.47 million rupees, representing 87% of total sales, while foreign sales amounted to 1,320.39 million rupees, contributing 13%.
Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. Industrial asphalts recorded a strong performance, rising by 0.10, which represents a significant 33% increase. Satosa Motors gained 178, marking a notable 25% rise for the day. Arpico Insurance increased by 4.80, reflecting a 19% gain and strong investor interest. Lanka Ashok Leyland added 255, showing a solid 15% increase. Finally, East West Properties closed up by 4.90, recording a 14% gain. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. SMB Finance, non-voting, saw a decrease of 0.10, marking a significant 33% drop. TES Agro was down by 0.110, reflecting an 8% decline. Waskadua Beach Resort fell by 0.10, registering a 5% loss. Dialog Finance decreased by 2.60, also recording a 5% drop. Finally, CT Land Development was down by 11.50, a 4% decline. These stocks contributed to the weaker sentiment seen in parts of the market today. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. Starting with Sampath Bank, which provided a significant boost to the index, reflecting positive investor sentiment in the banking sector. Hatton National Bank also contributed strongly, underlining continued confidence in the sector. John Keells Holdings was another notable positive mover, adding valuable points to the index on the back of healthy trading volumes. Commercial Bank of Ceylon supported the ASPI's overall stability today, with buying interest seen across banking and retailing stocks. Finally, DFCC Bank also contributed positively to the index's movement. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. Silinco Holdings was among the main stocks pulling the index lower, reflecting cautious trading around the insurance sector. Asian hotels and properties also weighed on the index. Haley's Fabric added further pressure, with declines in the stock impacting overall market direction. The Lanka Hospitals Corporation and Capital Alliance Holdings Limited closed lower, rounding off the list of key stocks that contributed to today's downturn. These movements together shaped the softer close we saw in the broader market. Thank you.